What's up, y'all? It's GDR Man, and welcome to my channel, GDR Man. This video, the city already issued a violation. I just had 24 hours to rescue this overgrown property. When the city issued a violation on this property, I noticed that the next day they was going to come back and citate it once again. So I came right in time. So watch as I tackle tall weed, stick brush, and get this cleaned up right in time so we won't get violated again. Enjoy today's video, y'all. All right, y'all, that completes today's video. As you can see, this is the pan of the before. It was thick, viscous, and ugly. And I made it right in time because I had a day left before the city of Houston was going to come back and drop another notice and up the citation for this particular property. Hopefully going forward, someone can maintain this. I actually have drove back and followed up on some properties that I've done, and people have maintained it moving forward, which is great. So hopefully somebody can do that. Before I close, also, I want to give a shout out to Melanie Faye Johnson. Melanie Faye Johnson, thank you again for continually supporting this channel by checking off and donating off my Amazon wish list. So I have to let her know that for sure and make that be known. Thank you again. Remember, the Amazon wish list is in the description of this video as well. Also, I have some upcoming news that I will state at the end of this video, so stay tuned to that. All right, y'all, just completed cleaning up this overgrown access way off of Blodgett and Delano Street, which is in historic 3rd Ward in Houston, Texas. Ironically, this is where my grandfather had a barbershop. See how I came the actual day that, 10/15/25. Today is 10/14. So tomorrow, they was gonna go and put another one here just to fulfill their duty. That's what the city does. But anyway, I cleaned it up for the neighborhood. Hopefully somebody could keep this going and keep it maintained. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to a great sponsor that I linked up with who does my merchandise for me, Made by J Flow. She has made this personal hoodie for me, representing Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and next month is gonna be Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. I'll be wearing baby blue. But shout out to Made by J Flow. Please check out her merchandise. It's gonna be dropped in the description of this video. You'll see more merchandise with me wearing personally for GDR, man. And also next week, I'm on my way to Louisville, Kentucky. I have a lot in store. It's not gonna be your normal videos. It's gonna be more vlogs, more interviews with brands, and also other lawn content creators. So be on the lookout for that. I have a big collab coming. But stay tuned to some upcoming videos when I come back to Houston. As always, stay lawn official. Be a light wherever you are. It's GDR, man. I'm out. Peace.